Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, it's a bit different from my regular kind of video because I'm on my way to get a new oven and we'll be unboxing it together. When I get to the oven shop, if they allow me to take maybe a video of other ovens, I'll also let you know the prices and also the specification and the features. Come along with me. On this channel, I share videos on cakes, food, about the food business, food industry, about business tips and hacks. Kindly subscribe to my channel. I'm actually in Asaba Delta State, Nigeria, and I'm along Okbanam Road, heading towards where I'll be getting the oven. So I would want you to see this amazing view while we get to the place where I'll be getting the oven. Can you see how beautiful Asaba is? So if you've not been in Asaba before, that big structure you see there is the dome, and it's so beautiful inside. Asaba is actually a cool city, you know. Let me know if you would want to see vlogs like this on my channel, and I'll gladly create those videos. Today's video is basically I'm heading to the oven shop where I'll be getting a new oven, and I'll also show you the features of the oven. If I'm allowed in the oven shop, I'll also a video of other ovens in case you intend to get a new oven, basically a gas cooker oven. Then you'd want to continue watching this video. Can you see how beautiful Asaba is? So if you've been to Asaba before, let me know in the comment section. If you're currently living in Asaba, also let me know in the comment section. Are you enjoying Asaba? So we just passed that's a 5-star restaurant. See, can you see Coldstone? If you're thinking of where to hang out, that could be a good place. And Domino Pizza, they actually have very yummy ice cream and pizza. So another good spot we have in Asaba is ShopRite. Okay, can you see ShopRite there? That's another lovely place. There's so many outlets, shops, fast food restaurants inside, and it's actually a beautiful place where people go to hang out here. So this is ShopRite, and we're driving down. Can you see? Can you see how beautiful this place is? So I hope you're enjoying this view. Let me know in the comment section where you're watching me from. If this is your first time on this channel, I share videos on cakes, food, business. I share videos on the food industry. Kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button so that when I post new videos you would know. So if you're in Asaba and you are actually trying to get to the place where I'll be getting my oven, we just passed Polaris Bank, then this is GT Bank. Okay, so this road is so this Stadium Road. Okay, so we're actually heading down where you can get your ovens. They sell other things too. So this is the place, Onwell Ventures. They sell a whole lot, generating sets, cylinders, and also one I got, it has 3 burners and 1 hot plate, And this is a Nexus brand. I love the color. This is actually called Formica. And can you see? Okay, so help me. So this is the full view. I love Nexus gas oven. 105,000. It's fine. It's just for me to 60 by 90. Okay, so this is 60 by 90. So how much is this?
This one is 270. Did you see what you want?
270,000.
I want to buy one.
I know my own is there. So this is what? This one is. What size is this?
50 by 50. 4 gas burners.
So how much is this one?
90,000.
90,000. 50 by 50. Okay. This one looks like the same size.
No, this one is 60 by 60.
This bigger than, even from looking at this, bigger than a little bit than this one.
Hot plate and then
Okay, it's one hot plate. So this is how much?
this one is 130.
So this is a maxi oven.
Yes.
Then what of this? Royal. This is
60 by 64 gas burner.
60 by 64 gas burner. So this is how much?
150.
What? Okay, so this 4 gas burner maxi 50 by 50.
No, 60 by 60.
60 by 60. Okay, thank you. So this one is how much?
120.
Look at it, but this one has
5 gas burners.
whoa. And this is maxi, and this is called Formica. Beautiful. So this one is how much?
This one is 260.
260k. I love red. I love red. First of all, let's look at it. So this is what size?
The same 60 by 60.
Okay, how
3
much?
gas
Is it?
burner, 1 electric. Same price, 130.
130,000.
Yeah.
Okay. So this will be 272. Oh, that one is more expensive. So this is maxi, the same size with that for my car.
Yeah. You know they do that shop.
It's okay. I'll now do my own. So how much is it?
This one is 260 like this one. It's the hot plate like 270.
Okay, so this is 260. Oh. Okay, the one that has hot plate. So what size is this?
60 by 90.
Okay, so this is 60 by 90 premium. It has 2 hot plates. Eh?
Yes. Stronger seater, bigger piping.
So what's the price of this one? 290. 290k.
Yes.
This one is a 50 by
50.
okay, 50 by 50.
Yeah, the same 3 gas burners.
And it's also a Nexus brand. So this one is how much?
95.
So this is 95,000.
Yes.
Okay, so we are just out of the shop where we got the oven, and I asked them if I could film the ovens and their prices, and they accepted. So if you're thinking of getting a new oven, maybe for baking or maybe a gas cooker, then I'm sure this vlog or this video will be very helpful to you. There are different prices of the oven and different sizes, so you could pick one depending on your budget. If you would want to see this kind of videos on my channel, let me know in the comment section. Let me also know if it was helpful to you. Then if you're currently in Asaba, also let me know in the comment section, and let me also know if or the different prices of ovens in your location. Okay, so do you think the prices here in Asaba is cheaper or more expensive? Kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button so that when I post new videos us to do. Thank you for watching.